All right, gorgeous babe. I wanted to bring to you, the hair's already rocking, right? Like we already have really fun curls going on, but you might be on the next day hair, or you really do wanna have rockin' curls, but you might not even be feeling that center part and you're like, I'm just not feeling this. What do I do? So if that is you, stay tuned, watch this tutorial because we're gonna have some fun with your hairstyle, whether or not you wanna do some fun with it or you just don't like how your hair looks that day. Let's check this out. All right, Buttercup, I'm rocking the center part with my mom jeans, so that makes me cool, right? That's what TikTok is saying? I'm cool, I'm officially cool. I feel like a boomer on TikTok, but maybe I'm not because I'm rocking the side part. But let's say I just am not feel like I put my clothes on, I'm just not feeling the side part that day. Or let's say I just wanna do something a little more fun instead of it just having it down. So however you are, if this is you, check out this tutorial because I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna love it. If you wanna see more tutorials or how I got curls like this, check out my videos because you will find a video just for you. All right, so today I have a couple different things. I love hair clips like this. If you can find you some, I'll try and find some and link some for you. Maybe the company I got them from still has them. I will check and find out, but I will include links for fun clips like these. They hold really, really well. These clips do a great job. I love them, okay? I love them. So I'm gonna change my part, but anytime you change your part, I curled all this back. So when I change my part and I come to the side, it's gonna give me awesome volume, but it's also gonna change those curls, so they're not gonna be coming back any longer. So we do need to mess with this a bit. So just remember that when you are curling your hair, if you're not feeling that center part, it might shift and change things. So I'm gonna go in, with this amazing oil I have. It's not the thickest of oil, but it's a little thicker than, I don't know, can the camera get this? All right, see, check that out. We got that? Okay, so it's a little like so, not too runny, but not the strongest that we have in oils. And I'm gonna, like, this is day 2 hair. You just wanna wake up those curls a little bit, make it look a little healthier, make it not look frizzy, and bring this all in together, okay? So if that's you, and this smells really good too, so I like to put it through my hands as well. I'm gonna take my hairspray to it, and this is how you can rock that day 2 hair with your curls too, if you're not feeling it, or you can come to this other part, this other side, and get a little more volume as well. Just be careful so you don't have this going on when you do it, because your hair is gonna wanna stay with what it's used to. So it's either used to that center part or possibly used to the other side. So just prepare yourself for that. Use your hairspray, get it lined out. All right, I'm gonna bring you a couple different braids. So we got that really awesome volume going on. The other way that we have the volume going on too is I don't have it coming forward, I have it coming back. So this is gonna get you that boss volume. Spray it back, soften out that front piece, and grab that volume. So this is really super cute, totally rocking. I'm loving my hair now, which I might have not loved my hair before, but now that I have this volume, I think it's cute as a button. Okay, so I though want to put something, I wanna do something a little more fun with it. I wanna have a little more personality showing that day. I got my gold chain on, I wanna rock it, right? So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go in with a couple different twists, and then, or you can do braids. So I'm gonna take these sections and I'm gonna keep this really loose. Now you have to go, each twist has to go opposite of each other. Otherwise they don't keep a separated part. Now my goal with this isn't trying to keep a tight twist, it's just trying to add a little bit more detail when I come in here. I'm gonna use my fun clip, like so, and I'm just gonna put that in like so. So there's a hairstyle that we have rolling out there using these fun clips. If you want something that clips it tight so you can be a little more formal, you can put your clip in, keep your volume on the one side, not that volume on this side, and you're good to go as well there too. So whole of the look, I actually like to do formals like this when I have short hair. It's really fun. Okay, now we're gonna throw in a couple braids. So you can make the decision if you wanna do braids on this side or braids coming in here. I'm gonna show you one really quick with our short-haired braids. So I'm gonna keep the braids really loose because I just wanna have a little fun with them because this hairstyle is more loose. So I'm gonna go under each one. So that's more of a Dutch braid. French braid goes over top, Dutch braid goes below. Okay, you have to take this the direction you want your hair to go. If you don't take it in the direction you want your hair to go, it's gonna look really weird as a braid. So go in the direction that you want. Make sure you get all of those other pieces out of there that are trying to be in it. Okay, and I don't need to do the whole entire thing because I'm just wanting that in there. I'm gonna grab some bobby pins here. Okay, and I'm just gonna throw in this pin and have it come up into the hair so that it does not show, like so. Okay, oh, I didn't do a good job. There we go, just like so. Then I can take another random piece. Oh, I'm also gonna loosen this up a bit. I'm gonna make this just a little bit looser. Just like that. Because the hairstyle is a little bit looser too. And then I'm gonna bring this in with a twist over top of it. So we're keeping it loose, we're not doing it tight. And remember, you twist in the opposite direction so it keeps that look. And you go in the direction that you want. And I'm gonna have this cross over right there. Grab my bobby pin and come into it, okay? And then I have just a really fun look with loose braids on purpose. So it's just that little bit of fun. This isn't staying down and I want it to. So I am gonna do one more pin. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so here we go. Just a little more added fun into that hairstyle. If you can see pins, I apologize. It's hard when you're just doing this in here and not like checking it out, but there's a little bit more fun that you can add to your braid. So the other thing you can do is you can keep that side out and you can integrate little braids in through here and twists. So I can come into this side and just make these twists, again, different side, and have this come along here, and these ones on this side are out. So take that baby out. Okay, so this is nice and full, so I'll put this side back. And then this side is the side that we're just bringing in more fun with. And I'm gonna pin that braid back with these clips. Still keeping it loose. And then we'll come in and poof this part out so it's balanced with how poofy this side is. So we have really fun ways that we can twist. So I didn't just bring it back, like I twisted it all in there. It's just super loose. You can only see a couple twists. And then this side is just rocking out and we're having fun. We keep the volume in the front and it's cute. So I'm gonna show you that. Every time I turn around, I just wanna pop my back. Oh my lens. Okay, so there's some fun for you too. You can have so much fun with your short hair. I can't even tell you, between braids and twists and just a little funky curls, you can have a ton more fun. So I'm gonna spray this back because I wanna keep those curls. Now, let's say I wanna do something where I add like one of these babies to it. For example, I'm going to part it back down the middle and I'm going to keep this section right in here. Keep them as clean as you can. Okay, and then you're going to not put it on there tight, and you're gonna come through, make a clean mark in there, have it come through it and out. And then you're going to tighten it up just a bit, and you can include it with a next one. Find the little hole, have it go up and through. There you go. Well, that's cute. Okay, like so, and then I do it over on this side too. Okay, and then we have some more fun with our hair. So you're set. Like, there are so many fun things that you can do with your hair. So much you can add to it. It just brings this really cute texture to your hair that you can do. You can go through and do other sides if you want, but I really like just having it really basic like that. Easy, easy, easy fun things that you can do to your hair and your curls, especially for that day 2 hair. So if you wanna see more fun things, if you wanna see more curls, if you wanna find ways that you can add to your hair, having a little sass to your hair too, then make sure you follow me. You can see more ways as well. I also have a tutorial that has a lot of different updos, things you can do with having shorter hair just for you. Again, I'm Jocelyn McClellan with Fit Mission Makeup. Thank you so much for being here. If you like what you see, subscribe, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram. Say, hey, what's up? That you found me over here and you're following me on Instagram. I truly appreciate it. And on Facebook, you can find me where I do live tutorials every Tuesday and Thursday. Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. Have a great day. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye.